Good morning, everyone. Tim Morissette, Coldwell Banker, and I am excited because we're in front of our hot new listing at 16 Saucito in Foothill Ranch. This is an amazing house. It's got 4 ensuite bedrooms. It's got a downstairs bedroom with a bathroom attached. It's got a bonus room that could be a 5th bedroom. So what you're looking at is 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths on a prime cul-de-sac street in the community of ROXFORT CREST. This is a premier tract in Foothill Ranch. It's got amazing views. It's an amazing house. Let's go look inside. So as you enter the property at 16 Saucito, you notice a formal living room, 2-story ceilings, loads of windows. You've got your formal dining room area here, which is large enough to accommodate a nice hutch. You got your spiral staircase, and it's illuminated by a circular skylight. This model is the only one that has a circular skylight in the whole city of Foothill Ranch. Let's take a look at the family room. So here we are in a large, what I call a great room. We've got your family room, brick fireplace, upgraded wood built-ins for the media center, hardwood floors, upgraded baseboards. So from here in the family room, we travel over to the kitchen. The kitchen has a nice center island, very unique. Stainless steel cooktop, appliances, granite countertops, stone backsplash, white cabinets. And then here from the kitchen area, we walk over to the breakfast nook. This is a large breakfast nook area. You can see 8 people here, and you notice that it's surrounded by French windows. And so you're here in the kitchen. It's a sunny kitchen with the orientation. It faces south, so this whole area is always going to be sunny throughout the whole day. Let's go upstairs. So before we go upstairs, I want to talk to you about this downstairs ensuite room. This is a very important part of the house. So it's the only model in the city that has a bathroom with a walk-in shower, a downstairs bedroom, and an entrance. And so just imagine you had wanted to Airbnb it, or had a college student want a separate entrance, or out-of-town guest. This is a great feature for this property. Let's go upstairs. So here we are in the master suite retreat. This is a retreat area. You have a double-sided fireplace. Imagine a couple of nice chairs here at the TV set. You can watch TV in the afternoon or in the evening, and then you retreat to your bedroom. Could you imagine being here in this room with the fireplace on and the light flickering on the ceilings? That is romance here. This is a great bedroom. Let's go look at the bathroom. This is an amazing master bathroom. You've got vanities on each side of the bathroom, so you have your own separate space. They're granite upgraded. You've got a travertine flooring. You've got a Roman soaking tub. Looking at the panoramic views, that is wonderful. You have a walk-in closet that is huge. You have a walk-in shower with a nice upgraded shower enclosure. Let's go take a look at the rest of the rooms. So as we walk out of the master bedroom suite, down the landing, we're in the main corridor or hallway upstairs. You have a linen cabinet here, which is very convenient. And then you have bedroom 3 and 4. Each of these bedrooms are ensuite bedrooms. They're fantastic. And then behind me is the bonus room. Double doors, high ceilings, lots of windows. It's a light and bright area. And you also have a balcony outside. Now, I know of people in this tract who have made this into a 5th bedroom and made the balcony into a walk-in closet. This is a fantastic space. Let's go look at the backyard. As we step into the backyard, this is a great area for dining al fresco in the evening or having breakfast and a brunch in the morning. Nice covered patio. You have a stone accents. You have a nice fire pit to sit around in the evening with a nice little beverage. And then over here we have a fireplace. So you have not only do you have an area to dine, an area to sit around in the evenings around a fireplace, you have an area here for cooking, barbecue with a side burner, which is really nice. The property has a lot of privacy, high walls and vegetation, and you have panoramic views. So if you're looking for a property like this is a premier property in Foothill Ranch. Please give us a call, Tim Morissette, Coldwell Banker, 949-412-2233. Take care, be safe.